March 27th marked the first televised primary debates of both Republicans and Democrats in the Massachusetts special election to fill John Kerry's seat in the United States Senate. The Republicans were up first in the debate with State Representative Dan Winslow, former U.S. Attorney Michael Sullivan, and businessman Gabriel Gomez staking out what it means to them to be Republicans.
The Republican core principles, which are more personal responsibility, more personal freedom, and a smaller, more effective government. We've been doing that since day one in our campaign.
I think we connect with people best when we listen to them in terms of their concerns.
I'm proud to be a Republican, a member of the Party of Lincoln. The core founding principles of the Party of Lincoln, freedom and respect for individuals and opportunity and responsibility, these are principles that most Massachusetts voters agree with. They just don't associate them with Republicans anymore. That we're not the grand old party anymore, that scary party. We're the great opportunity party.
In light of U.S. Supreme Court hearings this week on the Federal Defense of Marriage Act and Proposition 8, the candidates were asked their feelings about same-sex marriage. Michael Sullivan seemed to have a difficult time getting his personal opinion out.
Well, I think the United States Supreme Court has taken that question up. Obviously, they're in the best position to do it in terms of making a decision. I'm a Federalist by heart. I believe things like the definition of marriage is best left to the democratic process.
The other candidates had more straightforward answers on the matter.
I support the repeal of DOMA, and I believe in equality of marriage for all people in Massachusetts and the country.
I think that if two people are in love, they should be able to get married, irrespective. And I support repealing DOMA.
Repealing Obamacare was another question the candidates faced during the debate.
I think the overall theme of Obamacare was right, universal health care coverage, to have more access at affordable and quality health care. Now, I don't think he went about it the right way at the federal level. I think this should have been at the state level.
I think Obamacare should be repealed. The fact of the matter is people that are poor and uninsured have access to the quality of care, and they have access to good doctors.
Dan Winslow proposed a new Excel and Exempt plan that would exempt states from Obamacare and related taxes if they meet the level of excellence specified by the federal government.
Obamacare was bad for Massachusetts. We didn't need it.
After the debate, Winslow said he felt a Republican candidate could still win in this heavily Democratic state.
It's Massachusetts. You can't swing a stick without hitting a Democrat. Lord knows I've tried. But the fact of the matter is that I have optimism. I'm optimistic, by the way, by definition, because I'm a Republican in Massachusetts, but I'm also optimistic because I know that the solution to what ails America resides within every American. The American spirit is creative, it's entrepreneurial, it's innovative. We're the can-do country. We're the folks who get it done.